Okay guys, so I want to show you how to apply a proper risk management, how to use 10% of your capital, how to break even, how to take partial profit in a trade, because some of you still don't know how to do it. And again, how to, like, if you are in a trading, like trading is going on, you are in a trade and you want to like set TP and SL, maybe I'll send you a signal without TP and SL and I'll later send TP and SL. So this is how to set it. So first of all, let's start with that saying that we used to say, use 10% of your capital. So, I'm using demo account, sorry, to show you this, because I would use maybe I will enter a trade because I don't want to be lost. So I will enter a trade now to show you guys how to use 10% of your capital. That's number one. That's to apply a proper risk management. So you see, in a normal trading account, you can see here there is where it says unified trading account and there is a funding account. So funding is where you save your money, is where you can withdraw your money, is where you can do P2P and sell your USDT. And unified trading is where you trade with, like, is the amount that you can take into a trade. So let's say on your unified trading, you have this balance. Maybe you have $100 in your unified trading account and you want to use 10% of it to trade. So you are going to drag this thing. Sorry, you can see this thing. You can see it. Okay, you are going to drag it to where it says 10%. So this is what we mean by 10%. That is why you see, even if we make a loss, we don't care because we use 10% of our capital per trade. So let's say if I say just buy BTC, just if I say buy or long, so we are now in a trade, you can see we are making profit. So let's say, sorry, what I just show you is how to use 10%. So we pass that, and now I will show you how to set TP or SL when trading is going on. Because you see, sometimes I will just like send you signal. I will just say short, buy, long, or I will not even drop you signal or full signal. Like I will not drop take profit and SL. So it's going to be like, let's say now after I send you the signal and I later send you stop loss and take profit. So if you want to set your stop loss, this is where you tap. You see where it says set TP and /SL code. So here you are going to enter the take profit I sent. So let's say maybe I send this as you take profit. So you are going to enter it there, and here you are going to enter the stop loss I sent. So let's say this is the stop loss. So you just confirm and you are good to go. So that's how to set TP and SL while trading is going on. And again, sometimes you hear me say close your entry, take partial, or break even, and some of you doesn't know how to do it. So you can see now we are in profit, for example. So if I saw some reversal maybe in the market, or we are in halfway to our TP, so we usually used to take like some percentage of the profit and also close our entry or break even so that we'll be safe in that trade. So for example, if I say break even, what I mean is, you can see now we are in profit, okay? Or if I say close your entry, or if I say break even, BE, or if I say secure your trade. So I want you to be safe in that trade so that you not make any loss. So you can see now our stop loss is this USDT. This is what we are seeing in this trade. So you are going to delete this your stop loss. If I say break even, this is what is mean by break even or close your entry. You are going to take this your entry price. You can see it, which is 97,043.7. So this is your entry price. So it's going to like you close your entry so that even if it reverses back to your entry, it will not hit you. You can see once you tap on confirm. So once it reaches this price, it will just take you out of the market without making any loss. Okay, I will not enter it because you can see. Sorry. Let me check. Are we still in profit? Yes, we are still in profit. So once I said that as my TP, as my SL, 043.7, which is my entry price. So I'll just tap on confirm. You can see, and I'll just close. So once it go back to that, it will take me out of the market. Let's wait and see if it will go back to our entry. I pray it go back to our entry. It will just like once it hit that price, you can see it automatically take me out of the trade without making any loss. So that is what we make, what we mean by break even. So let's go back again. I want to show you something. That's why I use demo, because I don't want to lose my money showing you something. So let's buy again. So what I'm going to show you now is if I say break even. So for example, let's say we are in profit. Let's say we are in profit and I say, sorry, I already show you break even. So now I'm going to show you how to take partial profit. So you can see now we are in profit, for example. So once it go back to profit, you can see here it says profit, not loss. So maybe I'll wait for it to go green. So I'll just close. Sorry. Okay, now we are in profit, you can see. So if I say take partial profit, so you are going to tap on this close by. Just don't mind that. Let me just show you how to take the partial, because you take partial when you are in profit. Okay, we are in profit, $10 profit. So this is like 75%. So it's like you divide that. Let's say you have $40 here. So you divide that $40 into 4. Okay, and you save 3 and you leave 1%. Do you get what I mean? Like you divide the profit into 4 and you take 75%. You can see if I say confirm. So now I take 75% of that profit, and the remaining percent is there, it's running, and I already set my I set my stop loss to my entry to be as my stop loss. So I'm safe now. I've saved, like I divide the profit into 3, okay, into 4. Sorry, I save 3. I save 3, and 1 is going in the trade. So even if I lose, what I lose is what I gain in that trade. So I'm safe now, and I can enjoy. I can even just leave my phone and continue doing what I'm doing, because I don't have to like bother, because I've already saved some profit and still the trading is going. So that's how you take a safe trade. That's how you scale profit. That's how you break even, and that's how you use 10% of your capital. That's what we call risk management, Bob. So I hope you find this useful. Thank you. Sorry, I'm back. I want to show you something again. So for people that used to liquidate their account, they will tell you they liquidate their account before it hit their stop loss. So I want you to be very, very careful when you set stop loss. So there is something you have to look when you set stop loss. You can see this way it says estimated liquidation price. This is very, very important. This is what you should be looking. Let's say you set TP as stop loss maybe as 55,000. So you can see when you are setting this, make sure this is lesser than your stop loss. What I mean is, let me do screenshot and show you something. Liquidation price is something that, let's say the market is going, you are supposed to go up. The market is supposed to go to 100K. Let's say this is 100K. So you said when the market reverse back to 55,000, it should take you out of the trade. So liquidation price is here. See liquidation price. For example, liquidation price maybe, sorry, it's supposed to be maybe 57,000, sorry. Let's say this liquidation price is 57,000. So you that say market should go up, and now market is reversing, and see your stop loss here, and your liquidation price is 57,000, which is ahead of your stop loss. So it's going to liquidate you without before hitting your stop loss. Do you get what I mean? So you have to adjust your stop loss to be around 58,000 or around 60,000 or around 59,000. Do you get what I mean? Let me do it again in a clean space again so that you can get it. You have to be looking at that. That is why you used to liquidate your account without looking at this price. This price is talking to you and you are not seeing it. You see, market is supposed to go 100K. That's you take profit. And you said your stop loss around here, maybe 50K is your stop loss. And your liquidation price, which is this yellow, is here. Maybe it's around 55. So you see, when markets start dropping, you are seeing it has to reach 50K before it take you out of the trade. It will liquidate you at this price. Because do you know why even it used to liquidate you? Because you use high percentage. Maybe use half of your capital. So the market will not respect your stop loss because you use high percentage. But if you use maybe, let's say 25%, 15%, 20% of your capital, I guarantee you it will not liquidate you. And again, if you take several trades, let's say now we are in this trade and you take another trade again. Maybe you take this trade again. Maybe you take it again, you short another, you take another you take another trade, for example. Okay, so if this trade is going green, your liquidation price will be increasing for all your trades. If all trades are going green, your liquidation price is increasing, like you are safe. But if this trade you are taking, they are going against you, you are at risk. You should be looking at your liquidation price on each trade, because one trade can liquidate all of your, even let's say this one is giving you maybe $100 and another one is giving you $100. You see, you have $200 in profit, and this one is dropping like $300, and what you have in your balance is $50, and you use high leverage, you use high percentage when you enter the market. It's going to liquidate you. So you should be taking careful attention on that liquidation price. Whenever you enter a trade, make sure you look at that liquidation price very, very careful, because if not, you end up liquidating your account without you hitting your stop loss. So this is why you liquidate your account. You should be very, very careful how you use this thing. You see this percentage that you enter market with, that's your order value. I show you how to calculate order value using calculator if you are to use 10%. So now this is how to do it manually without you calculating any order value. So this is how to use it, just 10%. If you are using this 10%, as we are saying, you are safe. If you say you liquidate your account, I used to be the thing used to shock me, how will you even liquidate your account? So this is what you should avoid, so that you stay safe and without you busting your account. Thank you.